Hello, Salamander Commander here, and today I just want to say Happy Pi Day. For those who don't know what Pi Day is, it's basically a play on of March 14th, 3.14, which equals Pi, P-I, and yeah, people just celebrate it. Now, we're not here for a math lesson because today we are going to do a quick little video to celebrate some delicious pies. And the reason why I'm doing this to celebrate Pi Day is because this is actually inspired by a couple furry YouTubers I absolutely love. So those furry YouTubers are, shout out to Tail Longtail, Dwayne O'Duck, I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name, buddy, and my favorite YouTuber, Gale Frostbane. I don't know, I just think they're absolutely wonderful furry content creators and just wonderful people in general, and I just want to thank them for the inspiration. So got me some whipped cream and a paper bowl, and yeah, I think y'all see where this is going, so just gonna get all that creamy stuff. So yeah, I did this last year and it was pretty messy, so yeah, happy Pi Day, guys. Jeez Louise. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I couldn't really figure out any other build-ups, so yep. Happy Pi Day, y'all. Love you all very much. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.